In this video, I'm going to take you through on how to log in to the store and begin to upload products on the store. So first of all, you will need to have a laptop computer connected with the internet. Then once you have these two ready, you will also need to install a web browser. Any of the browsers can do, either Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. But I prefer Google Chrome than Mozilla Firefox. So as you can see, I've already opened my Google Chrome. You have to also open your Google Chrome or any of the browsers you are using on your laptop. Then once you have them open, what you need to do is to go to the address bar. This is the address bar. So here you type this URL. That is your store name, Yumma Collection. Oh, sorry, you should type it all in small letters. yummacollection.com/wp-admin. So please make sure you type this URL as you see it here, because if you don't type it correctly, you will not be able to log into the store. So once you type this URL in the address bar, you then hit on the enter key. So once you hit on the enter key, you will be brought to this page. This is the home, that is in the login page for the store. This is where you will be required to enter either your username or the email address plus your password before you can enter into the dashboard of the store. So in this case, I have the details here. I will send them to you later on. So here, let me copy the username, or maybe let me just copy the email address, and then I'll paste it there, and then I'll come back and copy the password. These details I will send them to you, so don't worry, I will send them to you later on. So once you copy the email address and enter here, and then you copy the password and enter also here, then you click on the login page. Alright, so once you click on the login button and you've entered the correct informations, you will be taken to the dashboard of the store. So this is where we call the dashboard of your store. This is where you will do all the changes before it will appear on the home page of the store. So here there are a lot of menus at the left hand side, which I will not talk more about them. There are a few ones I will talk about them because they are more important in your case. That is if you are uploading products. So here, when you come here, you will see posts. This post has to do with blog. Now let's say you are going to write articles on your website blog page. So here you will write them under the posts option. So this is media. Let's say you are uploading a product, all the product images will be found under the media. And this is pages. I advise you not to touch anything here. This one, I will advise you not to touch anything here. So once you are here, the only thing that you have to focus much on is the product aspect, because that is where you are going to be using to upload your products. Alright, so now when you come to down here, you will see WooCommerce status. So here, this is where you see all your sales details. That is, if someone orders something from your store, you will see them here. Within the month, you also see the total net sales you've made on this store. And here you will see the orders which has been the products which has been ordered from your store, and they are still awaiting processing from you. Once you process them, it will now turn to processing. So now here, when you come here, you also see products which are on hold on your store. And here it indicates the products that are in stock, meaning these products are still available on your website. I've set the store in a way that if some products are out of stock for your website, it will show to your customers and also show to you as the administrator, so that you can go and stock them inside. So all the products that are still in stock on your store will be shown here, and then all the products that are out of stocks, meaning you need to reinvest them in your store, it will be shown here. Alright, so from here, I guess that's the only thing you will need to know for now from this dashboard. You only be focusing much on the products and then the WooCommerce status. So the rest, you don't have to touch anything there. Later on, if there's any more development, I will let you know in a new video. Alright, so once you are here and you want to upload a product on your store, what you need to do is to come to the product aspect. So once you come to the product aspect, you can click on all products. So when you click on all products, this is where you will see all the products that have been uploaded on your store. So once it opens, you will see all the products here. So as you can see, these are all the products that have already uploaded on your store. You will see they are all in stock, meaning they are still available for people to purchase. You will see the prices and the other details. So once you are here, you can choose to add a new product here, or you come here and add a new product. In whichever case you choose to go, you can still upload products using these options. So mostly I prefer to go with this. So I come and click on add new product. Alright, so once you click on the add new product, you will be brought to this product page. So this is where you will be able to add a new product for people to see at the back door of you, at the back end of your store. So once you come here, the first thing you will see is the product name. Let's say you are uploading a product. Let's go to the home page of your website. So this is the home page of the website, and this is the back page of the website. So here, when you come down, you will see these products. So now this thing here, this name here is the product name. So when you come here, they tell you to enter a product name. Let's say you are uploading a belt, women waist belt. So what you need to do is to come here and write the name, that is women waist belt for outing. Let's say something like that. You know the name of the products you are selling. So any product you are going to upload on the store, you know how to name it. Always make sure you name it to be a catchy one. Give it a catchy heading so that people can be able to click on it and go and purchase it. So now once you put the name of the product here, then here this is the short description of the product. So when you come to the home page, let's open this product and I'll show you what I mean by short description of the product. So when you open this product, as you can see, this is the short description of the product. It will tell you, it will show you the product name, and then this is the short description of the product. So make sure you type a short description about the product you are adding, and then when you come down here, this is the long description of the product. This is where you give a detailed description about the product, the size, the color, where it is being made, a lot of things. That is where you can put much information about this product. Then let's go back to the back end. So here, let's say you are just going to write this in as the short description. So you can just say ladies new, you can just copy this one like this and just type it here, women waist belts for outing. You see, so now here you can leave all this in as the short description. Then you know what you are going to write there, because you know the products you are uploading on your store. So make sure you write a catchy short description, because most people like to read the short description before they can even go down to read the long description. So this short description is what gives people the idea of the product you are selling before they can even go down and get much description about the product. So make sure you give a concise information about this product. Alright, so once you are here and give the short description, you then scroll down. So when you scroll down here I will come back to it later. For now, let's go back, let's go down. Alright, so for here, this is the SEO thing. This is where people will look at it. You will be able to locate your product on Google search. When they are looking for something on Google, this is where you will make sure, or where you will do your settings so that your product will also show on Google. I will come back to it later on. So here we come down to this section where it says products data. Take note of this place. This is very important place. So here, when you come here, we have different type of products that you can upload on your store. We have a single product. So in this case, let's go back to this one. In this case, this is a single product because it has no color, no size, nothing. This is a single product. But if you are selling a product that has a color, a size, and other description, you then click on this button, it will list them here. So in this case, you have to come for variable product, meaning you can get a different size, you can get a different color. That is, if a person needs, let's say, size 20 of a cloth or of a waist belt, you can select it from here. That is, in this case, those product becomes a variable product. But I think mostly you upload single product. But if you are going to upload a product with a variable, with a variation, that is with the color and sizes, that one will go with the variable product. I will show you how to create that one also. So in this case, let's start with the single product. All right. So once you select the single product, by default it will be single product. So now when you come here, you will see regular price and sale price. So let's go back to our store. Let's go to the shop page. Let's go to the shop page of the website, Yumma Collection. So as you can see, this is the shop page of the website. This is the shop page of the website. So here, when you look at it, you see this thing here. You see the minimum price is written as 300 Ghana cedis and it is being cancelled. So that is the regular price. Are you getting me? That is the regular price, meaning you are selling it on a regular basis at 300 Ghana cedis. But because you are giving them a discount, you reduce it to 250 Ghana cedis. So in this case, let's say the belt is 50 cedis, but because you are selling it on a discount, you are giving them at a sale price of 45 cedis, meaning you are reducing 5 cedis out of it. But if you are not reducing anything, just remove the 45 and leave it as 50. So in this case, you won't see anything like 17% off, 20% off, and the rest. You won't see anything there. Please, are you getting it? This, as you can see, this is a regular product. You see, there's nothing like sale price and regular price because we've not write anything there. So, but if you want it to be like this one, which is 150 cedis, but because you are giving them discount, it's now sold at 120. That is where you will put the sale price there. Please, are we together? All right. So now, once you are done with this one, you will then come to this inventory aspect. This inventory aspects, you don't have to do anything with the SKU. With the SKU, you don't have to do anything. So here is where you can set a stock level. That is, either your stock is still in stock or out stock. So when you click on this, enable stock management at product level. Here you can tell your customers the number of product that you have in your store. Let's say you are selling women's waist belt. So let's say you have them in 50, you have 50 of them with you. So now you put the 50 there, meaning you have only 50 there. So once the product has been sold and it's up to 50, anyone who comes to your store and see that product, that person will see a description on the product as out of stock. So this is where we do that. But if you don't want to show any out of stock or in stock, you just uncheck this place and then everything will be normal. So let's say, assuming this waist belt, you have them 50 with you for now. So here you tap only 50, meaning when you sold all the 50, then there will be a description on that product as out of stock. So now let's go to this place. Here, this is where you can either allow your customers to see whether the product is out of stock or in stock. So in this case, I prefer not to show anything to the customers, or if you want, you can also show it. It doesn't matter. So now this is where you will set the threshold for your own notification. That is, you can set a number of product that if this product reaches that number in your store, then you should get a prompt that this product is getting out of stock, so that you can go and restock them. So mostly we set it when the products are left with 2, that's by default. But you can decide to set it as when the products are left with 5 in your store. That is, people purchase 45 of this waist belt on your store, and it is now left only 5 on your store, or you have only 5 with you now. So the website or the store will automatically prompt you to know that yes, This product you said that you have only 50 with you. They have been sold, 45 of them have been sold. So now it's left with 5 products with S on the store. So we'll make sure you go and restock them. Please, are you understanding me? If you don't get anything, you will let your brother contact me on WhatsApp. Let him or contact me. I will explain further for you. Alright, so now let's continue to the shipping aspect. For the shipping aspect, I already said them, but I think here you don't have to do anything there. I've already said the shipping aspect because I let you charge 20 cedis for the shipping. So I've already set it. When a person is buying the product, he or she will see the shipping aspect. So let's say, assuming I'm purchasing this item. So when I add it to the store or to my cart, and then I add it to my cart here, and then when I'm checking out, so please check something here. When I come to check out, the product price is 120. So when I just come to check out, you see the total product has now become how much? 140. That is because shipping has already been calculated and added. So now once I fill my details here and go to this thing, to go to payment, the product will automatically change into 140. That is plus 20 cedis shipping fee. Please, are we together? Yes. Alright, so let's go back to the product page. Alright, so here I think you shouldn't put anything here because it's already been set for you when I was creating the website. So now let's come to the attribute. The attribute here has to do with the variable product that I told you. This is where you select the color of the product and the rest. That is the attribute where you select the color and the size. I've already set the colors. So we have the colors and the sizes. Then later on, if you have a different color you want me to add, you can tell your brother and I will add it for you. The colors I've already said are yellow, black, and red. So now when we go to the variable product, we see it over there. Alright, so the advanced aspect of it, I advise you not to touch anything there for now. Alright, so I think we are now done with this aspect of the data of the product. Let's come down to the short description. Oh, sorry. At first I've misquoted this place. This is the long description, because in the beginning I told you this is the short description, but no, this is the long description. That is what shows down here. When you open a product, what shows down here, this is the long description, which is the first one. Sorry for the misquotation. This is the long description, but when you come down to the last page of this product, you will see the product short description. That is the first one here. So please make sure you write a nice short description for the product, because that is what tells people about the product before they go down to read much about the product. Alright, please. So now let's cut back. Here you make sure you type a nice description for this product so that people can be able to have a gist of what the product is all about. Alright, so now once you are done with this aspect, then the next thing is to come to the right aspect of this, or right side of this product. So when you come here, you see product categories. Here, this is where you add the categories of the product you are selling on your store. So as you can see here, this product is under addresses. As you can see, I've already made them to under addresses. So you can choose to select the product, this category you are selling. So in this case, we are selling belts, women waist belt. So as you can see, I've already added belts as a category. We have dresses as a category and waist bags as a category. Later, if you want me to add different categories for you, I can add them for you, and also you can add them yourself by coming to here. You click on add new category. When you click on it, let's say you are adding a new category called let's say hijab. So you just type hijab there, or hijabs there. You see, so when you type hijabs there, you then click on add new category. So when you click on add new category, it will be added to this section. As you can see, it has been added. So in this case, you just click and check. So by default, everything will be like this. So here, the product you are adding determine the category. So here, the product we are adding is a woman waist belt. So meaning the product falls under belts. So you click on the belts and then it will check it. Alright, so once you are done with this, you then come down here, product tags. The product tags are what shows here. It gives a small description about the product itself. So here, as you can see, this is women ladies fashionable dressing. So as you can see, the tags are dress, which is found in here. Then we have fashionable is found here, and then ladies is found here. So in this case, you can also use the same thing here. So you can just write the tags are waists. You just copy it and paste here. Then you go to belt, and then you come to the tag, you stand on it and Control V to paste. Then you then take, let's say, the woman also as part of the tags. So sometimes people can set product by tags. So when someone comes to your store and is searching for a product, he doesn't know the product name, he can just tap any of this tag. When he come and type, let's say, waist, let's say when he comes here, let's go to the shop, let's go to the shop page. Let's say this is the shop page. The person land on your shop page, is looking for a product which he doesn't know the name. He can just come to this side and just type waist, or he can just type belt as a tag. So you just type it, and then he will be shown all product with belt name. So here you see there are no product with belt, so you can just type, because we've not added match product, I can just type, let's say, waists. So anything that concern waist, it will be shown. So here you see we don't have product with that. So let's just say ladies as a tag. So you see it has shown products, all product with ladies in them. So this is the importance of tags and categories. So here you make sure you write a nice tags for them, and then once you are done, you then come down to this section. Please take note of this section. This is the future product. So when you come back to the store, you see these products, these images, that is the future product. So any image that you set here will be shown on the store. That will be the one that will show on the front page of the store. So here, make sure you put a nice image. You click on it, and then it will be open. You will be open with the media library. So all these products, all these images are what I've uploaded on the store so far. You can also add a product yourself. So what you need to do is to go to your computer and open the folder where your products are being located to. So now here I have a folder for you called Yumma. So I then click on it, and then all the products will be here. By then you also have your product somewhere. So to add a new product image, you just come here. So let me show you something. It's very important here. When you copy pictures, it will be labeled with, let's say, WhatsApp image, this. It's not good for your store. Let's say you are uploading this picture and it is WhatsApp image, what and what. Make sure you right click on it and then give it the same name you are giving to the product here. So here, let's say it's a woman waist belt for outing. So copy this title and then go back to the product image, right click on it, and then come to rename. So you paste the name there. So once you paste the name there, now it is well optimized. Anytime someone goes on Google and search for something concerning women waist belt, your product will also show. That is the way you can reach people organically without even advertisement. That is when people search items on your on Google, your product will also show. Please take note of this. Don't upload images with WhatsApp picture, with WhatsApp image, this. No, rename them for SEO sake. I'll go back to the SEO later and then show you how you can optimize it well. So now let's go back to the product image again. So you come here and click on it, and then go back to the folder and copy it. Just stand here on the image, click and hold the left mouse key and drag it and paste it here. So as you can see, the product is now uploading on the store. So here, wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, you will see it here. So here, you come here, the title, you copy the same to Control A and then Control C, then you Control V and paste it on the alt tag. Please, it's very important. This is what will let your store stand out on Google. When people search for product on Google, your products will also show. Please take note of this. So once you are here, you then come and click on set product image. Alright, so now when you set product image, it will automatically be shown here. Alright, so now come down to the last aspect. This is the product gallery images. This is where you will see different images on a product page. So let's look at this one, whether it's alright. No, this one doesn't have product gallery images. So let's look at this one. So as you can see here, these are different images. So when someone click on it, you see it to be changing. let's say you go to different store, AliExpress. When you click on it, you see different products will be showing. So as you can see, this one, when you click it, it will be showing. That is the product gallery. So let's say you have different type of this product, with different color, different sizes. So you put all of them here as product gallery. So when you click on it, then it will open the media file again. If you already have the pictures on your machine, you just go and select them. Let's say you select this, you select this. When you select this, you hold control and then be clicking on them. You click on all the products you want to add into that gallery. So now when you select those products, then you drag and paste them here. So in this case, you have to also make sure you edit the names. As I told you, you edit the names from WhatsApp images to something like this. So once you are done, you then come and so let them finish uploading, and then I will show you. So once you are done, you can then come and then you can then come here, rename it to the same name I've given you, and then paste it here also. Then you come and click on add to gallery. Please, are we together? If you have any question, as I said, you can let me know. Alright, so now you add to gallery. Okay, so all the products will now be shown here. So as you can see, they are now here. Alright, so now everything has been done for you, or you have now set up all the thing. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about is the SEO aspect. As I told you earlier, or I'll come back to it. So the SEO aspect is here the focus keyword. That is the word that you think people will type in Google for your product to show. So in this case, you are selling women waist belt. So the women waist belt, we can capitalize the first ones. Okay, so let's say you are selling women waist belt for outgoing. So here you just highlight everything and copy. Then you come back to the SEO aspect and then paste it there. Alright, so as you can see now here, when you come here, this is how it will appear on Google. When people search for something on Google, this is how your product will appear. As you can see, very nice. So now here, I think we are okay with this. No, I think this one is okay. Please don't touch anything here. All what you need to do is to just come here, the focus keyword, copy the title of the product, everything, you copy it there, and then come to the focus keyword and then paste it there. So now you are done optimizing all the products. You've set the regular price and the sale price, and then you can come and write the short description. Once you are satisfied with everything, then you come to this section where it says publish. Then you click on the publish. Then the product will be published on your store. So let's wait for it to publish, and then I will show you the product on your store. Alright, please. So look at this here. The product has now been published, and this is where you can view the product. Once you stand on it and right click, then you open in a new tab, you should see the product page here with all the settings that we've done. So as you can see, this is the product name, women waist belt, and then this is the short description. And here, as you can see, because we've set the stock management, you see it's telling you that hurry, only 50 left in your stock. You see, so as people keep on buying this product and it's now level 5, the product will prompt you, or the page will prompt you that you are left only 5. So go back and restock your products. So that is where you will go back and re-add the numbers. So here you can choose to hide this one for now, because you are starting, you don't want people to know that this is the number of products you have in your store and other things. So you can just go back to the stock management by going down to the product data, and then come to this section where it says advanced, where it says inventory. So now you uncheck this one so that you will not see this description here. Why people should see this one, they will know that you are now starting, you don't have much product, you only have 50 of them, so it doesn't make it professional. For now, let's just go back and remove that one by removing it here. Then you will now come back and update it. So once you update it, you then go to the product page and refresh the page, you will not see that description over there. So let's wait for it to finish updating, then we can continue to the video. Alright, so as you can see, it has now finished updating. Now when we come back to the product page and then refresh the this in the page, we should not see that description over there. As you can see, there's nothing over there again. So look at this place. This is the product image gallery. As you can see, these are the pictures that we've selected and all the stuff over there. So now when you come down here, you see the category is belt, and then you see the tags as I told you earlier on. So here, this is the long description, and this is the review. When someone comes to your store and purchase items, and then the person is reviewing it, you will see everything here. Alright, so this is how we add a single product to the page. So next time I will give you a video on how to add this variable product on your page, and then we can end this chapter from here. Thank you for watching, and please, as I said, if you have any issue with the store, let your brother talk to me. I will come to your aid. And please know that I have a lot of things doing, so when you chat me and I don't reply early, please know that I'm busy. Anytime I'm free, I will come back and reply for you. Thank you for watching, and please have a nice day. Bye.